birds are singing all around. The barn wakes up with joy today. Let's all come out and play. Cows are dancing on the hill. Sheep and chickens never still. Everyone is full of cheer. What a lovely day is here. The horse is trotting light and free. The ducklings waddle happily. The dog runs fast, then spins around. Laughter echoes through the ground. The farmer waves with cheerful eyes. A big red tractor slowly drives. The farm is full of songs and fun underneath the golden sun. So come and sing along with me on this farm so bright and free. Every day we jump and play in our happy farm day.